Hello, and welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. If you've been wondering how to delete your TikTok watch history on an Android phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can take control of your TikTok viewing data easily. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find Activity Center and tap on it. Now, tap on Watch History. Here you will see a list of all the videos you've recently watched. To delete them, tap the Select button in the top right corner. Then, tap Select All to highlight all watch history entries. Tap Delete at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Delete again to complete the process. And that's it. Your TikTok watch history is now completely cleared. Make sure to follow for more useful tutorials like this one, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.